Most people think adding a pool is about swimming. But in these backyards, the pool changed everything. Tiny yards became dream retreats. Forgotten spaces became the most used part of the property. And in one case, a backyard that multiple contractors said was too small for a pool ended up with one anyway. Let's start there. Number 10. The backyard everyone said was too small for a pool. This one starts with a flat no. 3 separate contractors told this homeowner the same thing. The yard was too small, too oddly shaped, not worth the cost of trying. Before, a backyard so tight that the idea of a pool had already been ruled out before this project even started. Multiple quotes came back with the same answer: skip it. The math doesn't work, put in a patio instead. The homeowners had genuinely given up on the idea by the time a different designer took a second look. What changed? Instead of a standard rectangle, the pool was custom shaped to follow the exact boundary of the yard itself, wrapping around an existing tree rather than removing it, with a single wide step doubling as a bench. The shape that everyone said made a pool impossible turned out to be the exact shape the pool needed to take. The result? A pool exists where 3 professionals said one couldn't. The homeowners went from being told their dream simply wasn't possible to swimming laps in their own backyard within a single summer, and the tree that almost got removed is now the most photographed part of the design. Takeaway: too small for a pool is usually code for too small for a standard pool. A shape built around the actual yard, rather than imposed on it, changes the math entirely. That backyard was small, but the next one had an even bigger problem hiding in plain sight. Number 9. The pool that replaced a rotting deck. Before, a deck that had taken over the entire backyard years earlier and was now actively falling apart. Softboards, a section roped off as unsafe, the whole structure costing more in patch repairs every year than it was worth. It had gotten bad enough that the family stopped using the backyard almost entirely. What used to be the centerpiece of the property had quietly become the reason nobody went outside. What changed? Instead of replacing the deck board for board, the entire structure came out, and a pool went into the same footprint that the deck used to occupy. A slim strip of new composite decking wrapped the edges, doing in a few feet what the old deck had needed its entire sprawling size to attempt. The result: the single most feared part of the property, the structure everyone tiptoed around. The one they genuinely stopped using was completely removed and replaced by the feature everyone now races outside for. The footprint barely changed. What it's used for changed completely, and so did how often anyone went out there at all. Takeaway: sometimes the most dramatic transformation isn't adding something new, it's finally removing the thing that was quietly dragging the whole yard down. If you thought that transformation was dramatic, wait until you see what this next family was willing to give up. Number 8. The backyard that lost half its lawn and got better. This is the transformation that almost didn't happen because the homeowners nearly said no at the last minute. Before, a backyard with a wide, healthy lawn the family had maintained carefully for years, the kind of lawn most people would be reluctant to give up any part of, let alone half of it, just to make room for something else. What changed? Roughly half the lawn was removed entirely and replaced with a pool and a generous stone patio. The homeowners worried, right up until installation day, that they were about to make their yard feel smaller by removing the biggest open space in it. The result: the opposite happened. The remaining lawn, now framed by the pool and patio rather than spreading out formlessly in every direction, reads as more intentional and more valuable than the full lawn ever did. The yard didn't lose space. It gained definition, and the part of the lawn that's left gets used more now, on any given weekend, than the entire original lawn did across a whole summer. The homeowners who almost called the whole thing off now can't imagine having said no. Takeaway: more lawn isn't automatically more value. A smaller, well-framed lawn next to a well-designed pool often feels more generous than twice the grass with nothing anchoring it. Number 7. The sloped backyard transformed with a multi-level design. Before, a backyard built on a slope steep enough that most of it simply didn't get used at all. A few tired concrete steps led down toward a flat patch that never amounted to much, while the rest of the slope sat there as essentially wasted land, the kind of yard where the listing photo only ever showed the flat part near the house. What changed? Rather than fighting the grade, the design worked with it. Terraced levels stepped down the slope, each one doing a different job, with a pool set into the lowest and flattest tier. Stone retaining walls turned the elevation change into a feature instead of an obstacle, and a new staircase connected each level, so the whole slope became walkable and usable for the first time in the property's history. The result, what used to be unusable backyard real estate, became the single most interesting part of the entire property. The different levels create a sense of journey and discovery that a flat yard never could, and visitors who arrive expecting a small backyard end up genuinely surprised by how much space was hiding on that slope the whole time. Takeaway: a slope isn't a problem to flatten. It's often the most valuable design opportunity on the entire property if you're willing to work with it instead of against it. That backyard turned a liability into its best feature. The next one started as the most ordinary yard on this list, and what happened to it might surprise you even more. Number 6. The family backyard turned resort-style retreat. Before, a completely ordinary family backyard functional, a little worn, the kind of space that worked fine but never felt like anywhere special. The kind of yard that got used for one birthday party a year and otherwise sat there as background scenery. What changed? A free-form pool with a built-in sun shelf replaced the old patchy lawn entirely. Loungers were added right in the shallow water rather than around the edge of the deck, and a small covered cabana gave the space a defined gathering spot that didn't exist before. Mature, resort-style planting filled in the edges almost overnight, since the design called for larger established specimens rather than small starter plants. The result? The transformation didn't just add a pool, it changed how the entire family spent their weekends. The parents have openly admitted they now look forward to staying home more than going away, because the backyard delivers the vacation feeling without the flight or the cost. The yard now reads like a resort rather than a place to mow on Saturdays, even though the lot size never changed. Takeaway: the biggest shift in feel often comes from a handful of choices working together: the sun shelf, the mature planting, the covered seating, not from any single expensive feature. Number 5. The compact spool that maximized a small yard. Before, a modest backyard with a tired deck and a corner that never got used for much beyond storing a few garden tools and a stack of folding chairs nobody ever set up. It was the kind of dead space every house seems to have, technically part of the yard, but functionally invisible. What changed? A spool combination spa and small pool replaced the unused corner entirely. Raised stone walls gave it presence without requiring a large footprint, and the dual temperature zones meant the same compact feature worked for cooling off in summer and relaxing in cooler months, doing the job of two separate features in the space of one. The result: a small footprint delivered nearly all the lifestyle benefit of a full pool and a separate hot tub combined, and the forgotten corner that used to hold garden tools is now the spot the homeowners use almost every single evening, no matter the season. Takeaway: if space is the limiting factor, a spool often delivers more usable luxury per square foot than a standard pool ever could. We're only halfway through this list, and the next transformation might be the hardest one yet to believe. Quick question: which transformation has impressed you most so far? Let me know in the comments. And if you're dreaming about your own backyard transformation, check out the Smart Homeowners Garden Guide. It covers backyard design ideas, costly mistakes to avoid, budget-friendly upgrades, and the design principles that make a home look more expensive. The link is in the description below. Now let's get back to the list. Number 4. The backyard nobody used. This one is different from every other entry on this list because there was nothing actually broken about the space. It just never got used, and nobody could quite explain why. Before, a backyard with no obvious problems. The lawn was fine, the fence was fine, nothing was falling apart or outdated. And yet the family had somehow gone years treating it as dead space. The back door rarely opened. The patio furniture they bought early on still sat in its original arrangement, barely touched. What changed? A pool went in roughly where the unused patio furniture used to sit, with simple, comfortable seating added around it and a couple of large shade umbrellas. Nothing about the renovation was technically dramatic. The materials were simple. The layout was straightforward. The result? The family started going outside. Not occasionally, constantly. Dinners moved outdoors. Weekend mornings moved outdoors. The parents have said, without any prompting, that they've started turning down weekend trips because they'd genuinely rather be home, in their own backyard, than anywhere else. A yard that had functioned as a forgotten backdrop for years became the room everyone gravitated toward without anyone deciding to make that happen on purpose. Takeaway: sometimes a backyard isn't failing because of how it looks. It's failing because it gives nobody a reason to walk outside. A pool, more than almost any other feature, gives people that reason. Number 3. The older backyard given a full pool renovation. Before, a pool that clearly been there for decades, stained tile, a rusting metal safety fence, coping that it cracked and shifted with years of ground movement. The bones were there, but the finish told a different story, and the whole area looked tired and almost embarrassing even on a sunny afternoon. The kind of pool homeowners stopped inviting people over to see. What changed? A dark plaster resurface changed the entire color of the water, turning it from a pale, municipal blue into something closer to black glass. New glass fencing replaced the old metal railing without blocking any of the view, and updated stone coping gave the whole pool a sharp, clean edge it never had originally. The result: the same pool in the same hole in the ground now looks like a completely different and dramatically more expensive feature, the kind homeowners are proud to show off rather than apologize for. Nothing structural changed. The transformation lives entirely in the finish. Takeaway: you don't always need to rebuild a pool to transform it. Resurfacing, fencing, and coping can completely change how an existing pool feels without touching the structure underneath. 2 transformations left, and the next one might be the most relatable of them all. Number 2. The simple suburban backyard that became a destination. Before, the most ordinary backyard on this entire list, a small rectangular pool that had simply always been there, surrounded by plain gray concrete and a chain-link fence. The kind of pool that gets swum in, but never really looked at, in a yard the neighbors could see straight into from 3 sides. What changed? The pool tile was updated to a deeper, richer tone. A pergola was added over a new seating area for shade. Layered lighting was introduced for evening use, and a planted privacy hedge replaced the chain-link fence entirely. The result: a backyard that used to be purely functional became somewhere people now choose to spend their evenings rather than just their pool days, and the family that used to feel like they were swimming on display now feels like they have an actual private retreat. Takeaway: you don't need a dramatic starting point to create a dramatic transformation. Most of the backyards that changed the most were the most ordinary to begin with. And now, the most dramatic transformation on this entire list, the one that might make you wonder if it's even the same address. Number 1. The forgotten backyard that became the best room in the house. This is number 1 because it's the most dramatic transformation on the entire list, and the one most likely to make you wonder if it's actually the same address. Before, a backyard that had essentially been abandoned, weeds taller than the fence in places, a section of broken fencing nobody had gotten around to fixing, debris scattered along one side from a renovation that had stalled years earlier. It wasn't just unused, it was actively avoided. The homeowners had genuinely stopped considering it part of their living space at all. It was just the area behind the fence they didn't think about. What changed? Everything happened at once, but in the right order. The pool went in first, sized to the full width of the usable space rather than tucked into a corner. A covered outdoor living structure followed, with a ceiling fan and a sectional built for actual daily use, not just photographs. Layered lighting was added: string lights overhead, low-path lighting, soft-up lights on the new mature planting that replaced the weeds entirely. The result: what used to be the part of the property nobody wanted to look at became, by every account, the most used room in the entire house, and it isn't technically inside the house at all. The family has said they now spend more waking hours back there than in their actual living room. The pool was the catalyst, but it was the complete redesign around it that made the transformation total rather than partial and turned a space they'd written off entirely into the place they never want to leave. Takeaway: the most dramatic transformations rarely come from the pool alone. They come from treating the whole backyard as one connected space: the pool, the seating, the lighting, and the planting, all designed to work together from the very beginning. The most successful backyard transformations aren't always the biggest or the most expensive. They're the ones where the pool, the landscaping, the lighting, and the layout all work together to create a completely different experience, not just a new feature, but a different way of living outside. Which transformation was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you're dreaming about your own backyard transformation, the Smart Homeowners Garden Guide is linked in the description below. Your backyard might be closer to its own transformation than you think.